And welcome back to the channel. On this video, my friend Keith, who's up ahead here, and myself are in Tigard, and we're going to ride over to King City. Want to ride over to the gas station, Space Age?
Yeah, we can do that. It's 8:30, so.
Okay, so here we go. We're going to go a little bit on 99W. Get out onto the road here. Look at that, we made the light. How did the bike feel to you with the tires? When you changed up the tires?
It's a little bit less bouncy. I do notice that. It doesn't seem like the battery went down too much further, you know.
How did you do for riding with your range for battery?
I'm still got 45%. Got 28 miles on
Almost
there.
30 miles. Well, that's pretty good.
Yeah, I think it can get 35, 40 miles on this thing.
Yeah, it looks like anything between 35 and 40 looks like.
Yeah.
Pretty good bet. Well, that's good to know, right?
Yeah, I'm really confident it'll do at least 30. But yeah, it's a nice long ride, you know?
Yeah. We could charge up our bikes right over here.
Yeah. They need to have like plugs for.
Yeah, they do. I agree. And it'd be nice to have charging stations on bike trails or paths. You know, I think eventually that's going to happen, but I don't know when. But you got to think the more bikes that are, you know, out there, the more people are going to want to charge them up. And we need to be able to charge them fast enough that you don't have to sit there for 2 hours, you know?
Yeah, we need 10 amp chargers. And you sit there for a half hour and get a decent
At least
charge.
at least get a little quick charge, right? Every so often
Yeah.
would be good, but. All right, that's going to do it for that video. Hopefully you liked that ride from Tigard to King City here. We're sitting here at the Space Age gas station. We're not here to get gas though. So that's going to do it. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, just hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell. And if you want to comment on this video or any others that you've seen on the channel, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Thanks again to Keith for riding with us.
All right, Mark.
Been fun rides.
Yeah.
And it may not be over yet. There may be the occasional ride, you never know, in there as well. Take a rock out of my tire. So once again, thank you for joining Keith and I on this video. And until next time, be safe everyone, and keep your wheels on the road. See you later.